In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications on Zoom desktop app. If you use Zoom to stay connected with your team or classes, having desktop notifications turned on makes sure you never miss a message, meeting update, or mention. I'll walk you through the exact places to click and explain what each option means, so you can set it once and rely on it every day. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app on your computer and signing in. Look to the upper right corner of the app window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that area to open your account menu. If your window is small and you don't see it right away, maximize the app or return to the Home tab so the top bar appears clearly. From that menu, choose Settings. You can also get there by clicking the small gear icon if it's visible on the main screen. Both paths open the same settings window. This is where Zoom keeps all of your personal preferences for meetings, chat, audio, and, importantly, alerts. Inside the settings window, find and select Notifications, sometimes labeled Notifications and Sounds depending on your version. This section controls what Zoom shows on your desktop and what it plays through your speakers when something needs your attention. It's the hub for message alerts, mentions, and channel activity. Next, locate the area called Send Desktop Notifications for. This is the key section. Turn on the options you want to be notified about. For most people, enabling alerts for direct messages and mentions is the most important, since those are high-priority communications. If you collaborate in channels or group chats, consider turning those on as well so you see new activity as it happens. While you're here, review any sound or banner options attached to these notifications. If there's a toggle for playing a sound or showing a preview, enable it if you want an audible cue or a quick glance at the message content without opening the app. A quick tip if you still don't see pop-ups after turning these on. Make sure your operating system allows Zoom to show notifications. On Windows, check the notification settings and confirm Zoom is permitted. On macOS, look in notification settings for Zoom and allow alerts there. Also ensure that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't silencing notifications while you work. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Notifications and Sounds, and turned on Send Desktop Notifications for the items you care about. Your choices save automatically, so you're all set. With these settings in place, you'll get timely alerts without constantly checking the app.